Students of class 10, hope you are all fine today and you are doing your studies very well. Real number chapter 1 and its weightage is number mark 6, and then there will be a second unit algebra containing 4 chapters: polynomial, pair of linear equation in 2 variables, quadratic equation, arithmetic progression, total covering the weightage of 20. Then the third unit, that will be the chapter 6, coordinate geometry, the weightage of 6 marks. Then the fourth unit, that is geometry, containing 2 chapters, chapter 7 and chapter 10, triangles and circles, the weightage total of 15 marks, which is the highest marks. And then the fifth unit, trigonometry, containing 3 chapters, chapter 8, introduction to trigonometry, chapter 8, trigonometric identities, and chapter 9, height and distance, angle of elevation, angle of depression, containing 12 marks of your weightage. Then comes the mensuration chapter, containing 2 chapters, area related to circles and surface area and volume. Very typical chapter, having lots and lots of formulas. The total weightage 10. Then the last chapter, last unit, that is statistics and probability, containing 2 chapters, statistics and probability. The total weightage is 11. Exercise from the last year's and previous year's book that are to be excluded from this year NCERT book for conducting the exams. So can we check it out? What are all the So in the real numbers, the deleted topics are equivalence, division lemma, decimal representation of rational numbers, and terminating, non-terminating, recurring decimals. Exercises related to this, exercise 1.1 and 1.4 are deleted. So, and the next chapter, polynomials, the division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficient has been deleted. So the exercise which include this part is exercise 2.3 and 2.4, which is excluded from this your exams. The third part is pair of linear equations in 2 variable, quadratic equation, arithmetic progression. The equations relatable to linear equations, cross multiplication methods are deleted. So the exercises are deleted, but the exercise deleted are 3.1, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7. But I recommend to do the word problems of 3.5, 3.6 and 3.7. It will cover all your part. Then exercise 4.1 is 4.3 is also excluded from this syllabus. Then the coordinate geometry, the exercise 6.4, 5 and 6 are deleted. And next is triangles. The area exercise related to the theorems are deleted, that is exercise 7.3 and 4. Circle, there all the part of the circle is coming in your exam, no deletion is there. In trigonometric identities, trigonometric ratio of complementary angles are deleted. So the exercise related to that is 8.3 and 8.4 are deleted. Then area 11, chapter 9, statistics, 11, 12, area related to circle, surface area and volume, exercise 12.1, 13.3, 13.4, 13.5, 14.4 and 15.2 all are deleted. So please go through this very carefully and mark it.